I have a shoot that I'm doing for the university.
Let's go. This is the script.
We just shot the first shot. Oh, Nara. And Daniela has to hug. High production, you guys. Look at the ring light and everything. There were papers flying.
Make shots. Oh, you got it?
Guess what? We're getting a free drink. This is the table apparently where Rutherford, he split the atom literally over here. I have like 6 back-to-back meetings lined up. A queue and show you how I do the meetings. Okay, let's go. I'm taking an interview for the internship, right? We help influencers and aspiring entrepreneurs start their own clothing brand. Ideas which actually help us generate leads. It's becoming very difficult to find a graphic designer. I've obviously divided the work like into very small fragments. Always have like one introductory meeting with them. I forgot, I lost my train of thought. Okay, that was an important thing. Yeah.
She calls me day and night.
Hi you guys, it's 25th of April, 11:54, right? So I have a shoot that I'm doing for the university. So it's like a sort of scripted video for the marketing department wherein they're talking about revision tips. So we're gonna go for that. I had a client meeting in the morning and I think we have got a new client that is an influencer. So let's go. Let's go, Yuli. I can't find them. I don't know where to look. There are no cameras here. Meet Dara. Hi. She's also shooting the video with me, and basically we're trying to navigate where we're supposed to go. So Dara is using the maps. Let's go. I can be a piece of gas. Let's go. This is the setup. We're gonna shoot it here. Okay, this is the script that I do kind of need to remember. So let's go. Okay, I'm trying to cram up the script. It says, it's important to work hard in the lead up to exam. But if you don't give yourself, oh my god, I can't remember it. But the irony is that I haven't even started studying. So revision is like far away. And here I am giving tips about revision. Oh, lighting is, oh my god, the lighting is, okay. So we just shot the first shot. Oh, Nara, let's go. It was just like an introduction shot. Okay, this is our new location. And Daniela has to hug. Yeah! High production, you guys. Look at the ring light and everything. By the way, this is a building of uni. It's important to work hard in the lead up to your exams. If you don't give yourself enough time, you end up burning yourself out even before you get there. I recommend coming up with a proper schedule. Okay, this is the next setup. Oh, sorry.
I was gonna ask if you want music videos for you.
Oh, thank you. So it's a long script. It's my shot now. I have to basically sit, and then I also get to throw papers. I don't know how I'm going to remember, but I. This is the view from the building. Daniela, Tara, how was the shoot?
It was so good.
There were papers flying.
I shushed my.
I just ruined your shot.
No, that's okay. It's so pretty. This is our next location. Look at this is too pretty, genuinely. But look at this very special actor, Daniel.
Make shots. Oh, you got it?
The next prop is the cycle, and Daniela has her helmet on. Shoot is happening there. I was asking Daniela for alternative for coffee. Literally, we were talking about coffee, and someone just comes up to us, and Daniela will tell what she says.
She says, "Oh yeah, there are free tea, coffee, biscuits over here." It's crazy.
So we're basically in the line to get free coffee. So I got a chocolate tart and Daniela. Okay, we're gonna go out to the next location. This is the next location. So pretty. So let's go. We just basically we're getting paid to get free coffee and free time. All of the shoot is actually paid, so I'm not complaining. Guess what? We're getting a free drink. We didn't even ask for it. It's just the shot that requires it. So free Pepsi, let's go. Okay, I'll just practice in front of the camera. Once you've finished all your exams, the best piece of advice we can give you is to celebrate. You've worked, what is it? Okay. You've worked so hard over the past few months and you've more than earned the time off to relax and to enjoy yourself. Free Coke, so a good shot. But yeah, this is our location for the next shot. I think all three of us are going to shoot. I set up the mic and also the cameraman. So this is our next location. So this is the table apparently where Rutherford, he split the atom literally over here. That's insane. Alright, I am done with the shoot. It was so fun and got free Coke. Also gonna get paid for it, so I just have like tennis and badminton in the evening. Outfit check. I really want to do clips like where people just like walk like this and it looks so aesthetic. Hi, welcome to a new vlog. I was running around and I was just like, okay, let me vlog. Basically, it's a different vlog style that I'm gonna try. I have like 6 back-to-back meetings lined up. So what I thought was I'll take you through them. And instead of, just telling you that, okay, I have this meeting, I will sort of record what's happening in the meeting. Obviously, I cannot record the face of the person, but I'm actually excited for it. Why not take you and show you how I do the meetings? Okay, let's go. So in my room, this is my sort of video spot. And look at the weather. It's damn nice, but the sunlight isn't here, so it's not helping me. Okay, the intern is here. I'm taking an interview for the internship, right? So I'm just gonna put the camera and show you.
An outreach.
Okay. I've asked her to send like samples for graphic, and she's also interested in the outreach department. So okay, so I'm sending voice message explaining what needs to go on the story as the text. I forgot only. Have you always dreamt of starting your own clothing brand? ? And then in the next line, right? Teenpreneurs can help you with the production. Make sure that the color of the okay, we're gonna get coffee now because literally at 11 I have another meeting and it's 10:14 now. So oh my god, this bag is, I swear, heavy, but we're here crossing. It's never washable. I don't know how. 10th session actually. For the next meeting. I'll give you a brief about the company as well. Teenpreneurs is a company that was started 2 years back. So we started with a website on which multiple small businesses can list their products so they can sell through us. Now we moved on to a newer business model wherein we help influencers and aspiring entrepreneurs start their own clothing brand. Right, so we're looking to ideas which actually help us generate lead because we don't need likes or we don't need followers, right? This is the trend. How can I put the business idea? The next interview is in 6 minutes. It's 11:24. I'm interviewing Megha again for the internship, and after that I have a meeting with the HR manager for Teenpreneurs, and we're going to discuss ideas as to how. And then after that I think I'm going to study. So the intern that I just took a meeting with sent her graphics. I'm very specific with the graphics, so it's becoming very difficult to find a graphic designer. So the next interview we're taking is of Megha. Megha has actually been a part of the team since I started she interned with us for like at least a year. Oh, she's here. Right, so basically, like let's say if you consider social media, right? So there's no department for it. I've broken it down into one role is literally just to generate ideas. Heard so many people, it's like nostalgic. So many old interns are gonna join again, but that's pretty good. But I'm planning to keep the team smaller this time, not go to like the 50 number anymore. Okay, done with the meeting. It wasn't really an interview, it was just like an introductory meeting because she's already worked with us. But it's 11:46 now, and in 15 minutes I have a meeting with the HR manager. That's going to be the second last meeting, and then after that I have just one last interview. So let's go. Graphics team or like someone else will be executing, right? Okay, next intern is here. So I've changed quite a few things in terms of how the team is going to work. One is I've obviously divided the work like into very small fragments, because I feel like that was a huge issue that most of the interns were facing. They couldn't take out time for it. And also keeping the number of people very restricted. Only outreach, in the outreach department do we have so many people. Like I think we have 7 or something, but that is helpful because we can reach out to more people. But other than that, I want to have like one person for a very small role so that it gets done. Till it's going to come down to 20 people probably. Let's come up with a system as to how we're going to work with the team. Addition to the team, you should always have like one introductory meeting with them after the interview, wherein you're giving a brief about the company, and they should also know what the hierarchy is. Because I think earlier this issue did happen that every new intern, they were like clueless. They didn't know who the team is, who everyone is. We're gonna make it more like task oriented. So let's say if we've told one person that by the end of the week I need, let's say, these many reels edited, and if that person is done with it on Wednesday's work session, we'll give them the rest of the week off. Okay, so it's much more task oriented, no one gets burnt out. We've also created like a community for it, so all the groups are also at one place. I forgot, I lost my train of thought. Okay, that was an important thing. Yeah, so I think you are done with the meeting, but I need to run home. It's 12:45. I have another interview at 1. Turns out I have one more. I forgot about it, but I only have 14% battery in my iPad, so I'm gonna run home, charge it, and then take the meeting from my house. This meeting was quite productive, so let's go. Okay, it's literally 1 p.m. and I have a meeting like right now, so I'm just setting up. I reached on time, so I'm just changing the cover because otherwise it just doesn't set over here. Okay, we're ready, let's go. Okay, setup is ready. 1 p.m. and I have a meeting like I just saved it on Snap because my phone is out of space. Neither my phone nor my iPad has battery, so the person is late, the intern who was supposed to come. And in my interviews, if you're late then you're gone, so never mind, I ran like unnecessarily. But basically I have one more interview to take, that is at 2:30. So oh my god. Okay, also just now an influencer who's our client responded, so we got a lead, let's go. So I'm just hey, sure, what about tomorrow afternoon? I'm not free tomorrow afternoon. Like this time difference, my schedule is so busy. I don't know where to fit in things. Like it's just becoming more and more difficult to schedule. Like even with friends, I have to schedule it. Like literally, oh my god. Anyways, I'm just gonna do that and get back. Okay, so I was just analyzing the client car page, and then I'm just sending a voice message. Before the meeting, we should be prepared with this thing. So yeah. For this client now, what we're gonna do is basically I went through a profile. So the content that worked for her most was like about best friend and like friendship, and so we can have like look on Pinterest for images wherein there are like clothing items of, let's say, I did this text that was really working on. Alright, it's 2:30 p.m. and it's the last meeting for the day. It's a brief about what the company actually does. So we basically help people start their own clothing brand. So let's say if you were someone who wanted to start your own clothing brand, we'd manage the whole production for you. So I would contact the supplier for you. We'd print the graphics you want on the t-shirt or the hoodie that you want, package it for you, and also directly deliver it to your customer. So you don't have to go through the hassle of doing anything in the midst of it, right? And you can focus more on the marketing and the branding part of it. Also, it becomes like a way of a passive income for you, right? Apart from that, we also have like additional services, be it social media services, product photography, reels creation, account management. So yeah. What is your final thing? What do you think? You'll be using DMs, emails, and maybe LinkedIn as well to reach out to these influencers and tell them about our services. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end the vlog. Thank you so much for watching the video. I genuinely appreciate your time, and I hope you have a great day ahead. Okay.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah.